Hey everyone, I'm Anil Daggupati. I'm the senior interior designer and design manager working at DesignCafe. Over the past 6 years, I have had an opportunity to design 100 plus interior projects. Today, I'm here to walk you through Komal and Madhu's 3BHK and share their design journey where they have created a beautiful space and which reflects their personality and lifestyle. In this living room, we have used a neutral tone of beige colors for the furniture, and then we have also added a mustard poppy color for the accent chair. When you look at the back, we have used a wainscoting paneling with a poppy color so that the entire room gets elevated. And then if you look at the partition that you see here, a metal partition with a wooden carvings that has come out really well for this entire living area. We have a beautifully designed crockery unit. Here in this crockery unit, we have also designed it with mirrors instead of just a normal shutters, so that the entire area is getting elevated and it is looking more spacious. And the cabinets that we have made, it is of a full depth cabinets where the storage is also functionally met. This kitchen is all about the understated premium and the practical design that we have made. So when you look at this, the Irish and the creamy tones set up this kitchen light and frizzy. The matte beige and the creamy tones make this kitchen look light and airy. Whereas the terrazzo countertop, the quartz countertop made this kitchen look much more elegant and much more beautiful. And we have also designed a island kitchen, which is like an informal dining area, and also it is like a preparation area for the entire kitchen. As you see, this kitchen, it has all the necessary base cabinets and the wall cabinet, the overhead storage. It has an inbuilt hob and then the chimney. This kitchen is an urban modern kitchen which has all the necessities for the household. This kitchen has a completely integrated appliance unit. When you look at here, we have this appliance unit, a bifold appliance shutter cabinet, and then we have a microwave tower, inbuilt microwave and an inbuilt OTG with a wicker baskets at the bottom, and a lot of pantry storage too. This showcases how you can make the modern kitchen look much more beautiful and then without compromising any warmth. Now we'll talk about the master bedroom design. In this bedroom, we have designed in a tropical theme, and if you see the wallpaper design and the bed bag design that we have made here in this room, it reflects the tropical theme here. Here we have used a king size bed and then a bed bag design with a patterned back wallpapers, and here comes the dressing area. So one of the beautiful and elegant dressing area that we have made for this room with a storage space here at the back. And this mirror, if you look at it, we have a cove lighting which elevates this entire room when all the lights are off. Here comes the main component in this bedroom. So we have a Duco finished wardrobe with classical beading shutters infused with fluted glasses here. A space saving unit which is called a janitor unit, which is used to store the soiled clothes or one-time used clothes. So we have made this kind of an arrangement which will serve the entire purpose of space saving. Now we'll talk about the multi-purpose room here we have. So this is about a kid's bedroom and an office setup that we have, and then sometimes it's a guest bedroom too. As we mentioned, it is a kid's bedroom, so we have this climbing setup that we made for a boy child here. And then as he is more inclined towards becoming an astronaut, so we made this inspirational wall here. We also made this bed for a kid, which is multifunctional. Currently this is a single bed. And later it can also become a queen size bed, and it also has a storage with a cloud headboard. Now we'll talk about the overhead storage that we have here. So we have used this black aluminum profile shutter with fluted glasses, which makes this entire area much more elegant. And now you look at the wardrobe that we've made here. So these are the most elegant wardrobes that we have, and these are with complete super matte finishes. And also we have used a corner decor storage here, which should not interrupt with the door while opening. Yeah, let's talk about the parents' bedroom here. So here we have a queen size bed, a rustic rattan bed that we made here, and then we have this dressing unit. It has a storage behind, so you can just have a look at it. We included a cane finish here to match with the entire theme of this bedroom. Here comes the main component in this bedroom. So we have used this rattan textured wardrobe shutter. Client was more inclined towards having a rattan or a cane finish included in this entire house. So we have used this in this particular room, as it's a parent's bedroom, to elevate the vintage look for this entire house. And we have this Duco finished classical beading shutters, as we saw in other room. This project is more than just a 3 BHK. It's a proof that great design doesn't have to be extravagant. It's all about thoughtful choices, seamless functionality, and a home that truly reflects the people who live in it. If you are looking for a contemporary budget interiors in Hyderabad, please do visit us. DesignCafe expert team can bring in your dream spaces into life. Book your free design consultation today.